AI voice cloning is changing the way creators make content. With just a few minutes of audio, you can now create a realistic digital version of your own voice, or design a completely new one. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best AI voice cloning tools available right now. Number 1. Let's start with a well-known text-to-speech platform that also offers voice cloning, Speechify. While the core text-to-speech reader has a free version, the voice cloning feature is part of their paid Speechify AI voice studio. The process is simple. Record or upload a short audio sample of the voice you want to clone, paste your script, and generate the audio. Once the audio is ready, the platform allows you to play a short sample to hear how the cloned voice sounds before finalizing it. For access to voice cloning and other advanced features, you'll need a premium plan, which typically costs around $29 per month. Number 2. Next up is one of the biggest names in AI voice technology, ElevenLabs. Known for its incredibly realistic and emotionally expressive voices.
But he was gentle, wise, with eyes like old stars.
You can clone your own voice by uploading just a minute of clear audio, and the system captures your tone and speaking style with impressive accuracy. If you'd rather not use your own voice, you can create a brand new AI voice by choosing options like gender, age, and accent, giving you endless combinations to match your project's tone. Their free plan lets you generate up to 10,000 characters each month using their built-in voices, while voice cloning is available on paid plans starting at just $5 a month, making it one of the most accessible options for creators and professionals alike. Number 3. Playht is a professional-grade tool known for creating ultra-realistic voice clones. While their free plan is great for trying out their stock AI voices with up to 12,500 characters, creating a custom voice clone is a premium feature. On their paid plans, you upload a high-quality voice sample, and the AI generates a clone in minutes.
Hi, I'm Donald Trump. I can't believe it's my clone voice. Keep watching this video to learn more about voice cloning tools.
Plans that include voice cloning start at around $31 per month, billed annually, which gives you a massive amount of audio generation and is far more cost-effective than hiring voice actors for every project. Number 4. Now for something a bit different. Voicemy.ai doesn't clone your voice. It transforms your speech into someone else's voice from their library, which includes many popular characters, actors, and even public figures. For about $10 to $20 a month, you can convert unlimited audio files with realistic studio-quality results. It works right in your browser. Just upload an audio file or paste a YouTube link, pick the voice you want, and the site handles the rest in minutes. You can even preview different voices before applying one. That said, keep in mind that using the voice of a celebrity or a copyrighted character without permission can lead to legal or ethical issues, so it's best to use this tool responsibly and for creative or personal projects only. Number 5. If you want to create AI videos using your own voice for narration, Invideo.ai is a great all-in-one tool. It lets you script, edit, and generate videos all in one place, with voice cloning built right into the workflow. This feature is available on their paid plans, which start at around $20 per month, billed annually. You can create your voice clone once from the voice menu and then reuse it across any video you make on the platform, saving both time and money compared to using separate tools for voice and video. Plus, it ensures your projects sound consistent and more personal since the narration truly sounds like you. Number 6. A professional text-to-speech platform that also offers integrated voice cloning. Creating a clone is simple. Just upload a sample of your voice, give it a name, and the AI generates a lifelike version within seconds. Listnr is especially useful for creators who make podcasts, audiobooks, or voice-based videos, since it delivers natural-sounding speech with consistent tone and clarity. Voice cloning is part of their paid plans, starting at around $19 a month, and you can create and store multiple voice clones for different types of content or projects. Number 7. Now here's a real lifesaver for anyone who records audio or video, Descript's overdub feature. Unlike most AI voice tools, it's not about creating new content from scratch. Instead, it helps you fix mistakes without having to re-record anything. Once you record a short 10-minute training script, Descript creates an AI version of your voice. So if you ever spot an error in your recording, you can just type the correction, and Overdub will generate the new words in your voice, sounding completely natural. It's built right into Descript's all-in-one podcast and video editor, which makes editing super easy and seamless. The Overdub feature is available in their Pro plan, starting at about $24 per month, billed annually. Number 8. Lovo.ai, powered by its Jenny platform, is a go-to tool if you want voices that sound almost real. It's packed with over 500 stock voices you can try for free, but the real magic happens in its voice cloning lab. That's where you can upload just 1 to 3 minutes of your own audio and create a custom voice clone that sounds just like you.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Once your clone is ready, you can even adjust how it speaks using an emotion slider, whether you want it to sound calm, excited, or even whisper softly.
In a quiet mountain village, every night at exactly 8.
It's a favorite among podcasters, advertisers, and anyone who wants studio-quality narration without the studio. Plans that include voice cloning start at around $24 per month, billed annually, which is a solid deal for the level of control and realism it offers. Number 9. Typecast isn't just about cloning your voice. It also lets you bring that voice to life with a realistic AI avatar. That's what makes it such a great pick for things like e-learning, training videos, or explainers where you want a virtual presenter. You just upload a short voice sample, and Typecast creates your clone in minutes. From there, you can tweak how it sounds, add emotion, change the tone, or even adjust how each sentence is delivered. You can also create conversations between multiple avatars, each with their own distinct voice, which makes your videos feel more dynamic and natural. It's surprisingly affordable with plans starting at just $9 a month. Number 10. For social media creators and YouTubers, Fliki is an excellent all-in-one platform for making videos with your own voice. It combines a powerful AI video generator with built-in voice cloning, so you can create personalized content with ease. You can clone your voice using just a 2-minute audio sample, then use it to narrate any of your text-to-video projects. Fliki also includes a massive stock media library, making it easy to turn a simple script into a complete, polished video within minutes. There's a free plan to try things out, and paid plans with voice cloning start at around $21 per month, billed annually. It's a great choice for creators who want to make high-quality, engaging videos without needing separate tools. Number 11. If you're looking for a voice with real emotional depth, something that can sound happy, sad, or intense, Resemble AI is one of the best options out there. It's designed for creators and professionals who want detailed control over how their voice sounds. You can start by uploading just a few minutes of audio, and the platform lets you adjust tone and emotion directly in its editor. That makes it perfect for projects like games, animations, or virtual assistants where realistic reactions matter. Another highlight is its ability to clone and use your voice in real time, making it ideal for interactive or live experiences. Pricing is aimed at professional use, starting at around $19 per month, along with custom plans for larger projects. Number 12. Heygen is a powerful and well-known tool for cross-language video translation. It doesn't just clone your voice. It translates your speech into another language and makes your cloned voice speak it naturally, while perfectly syncing your lip movements. Using it is simple. Upload your video, select the target language, and let the AI handle everything. The result feels seamless. Your voice, tone, and expressions stay the same, just in a different language. It's a true game changer for creators or businesses looking to connect with a global audience. Heygen uses a credit-based pricing system with plans starting around $24 per month. So, those were some of the most capable AI voice tools available right now, each offering something unique, from emotion control to real-time translation. Choosing the right one really depends on what kind of content you create and how much control you need over your voice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such recommendations. See you soon. Goodbye.